Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something that everyone can relate to: maximizing kitchen space. Whether you have a small kitchen or a large one, it's always a challenge to keep things organized and make the most of the space you have. So let's dive in and see how we can maximize kitchen space. Use the walls. One of the easiest ways to maximize kitchen space is to use the walls. You can install shelves, racks, or magnetic knife strips to store utensils, cookware, and spices. It's a great way to free up counter space and keep things organized. Invest in multifunctional appliances. When it comes to maximizing kitchen space, multifunctional appliances are your best friend. Consider investing in appliances that can perform multiple functions, like a blender that can also chop, or an air fryer that can also bake. This will save you a lot of space and money in the long run. Use drawer dividers. Drawers can easily become a mess, especially when you have a lot of utensils and tools to store. By using drawer dividers, you can create designated spots for each item and keep everything in its place. This way, you'll be able to easily find what you need and keep your kitchen tidy. Hang pots and pans. Pots and pans can take up a lot of space in your cabinets. A great way to free up space is to hang them. You can install a pot rack or a hanging bar to keep your cookware organized and within reach. This will not only save you space, but also make cooking more convenient. Use the insides of cabinet doors. The insides of cabinet doors are often overlooked, but they can be a great place to store small items like measuring cups and spoons. You can install hooks or adhesive organizers to create extra storage space without taking up any additional room. Use vertical storage. If you have limited counter space, consider using vertical storage. This means installing shelves, racks, or organizers that go up the wall. You can also hang baskets or wire organizers from the ceiling to create extra storage space. This is a great way to keep things within reach, while also freeing up counter space. Consolidate your pantry. If you have a pantry, it can quickly become cluttered and disorganized. To maximize space, consider consolidating items into labeled containers or baskets. This will allow you to stack items and make better use of the available space. Plus, it will make it easier to see what you have and avoid buying duplicates of items you already own. Well, that's all for today's video on maximizing kitchen space. We hope you found these tips helpful and can apply them to your own kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.